Whenever you take the SAT, do you ever feel like, wait, what is this? Did I even learn how to do this? Like, is this the right exam for me? Did I sign up for the right thing? Do you feel like that? Or maybe you felt pretty good. You walk out of the exam room, you're like, okay, that's going to be the last SAT I'll ever take, and in 3 weeks you get your scores back and you missed half the exam. Is that you? If so, you came to the right video. Today, I'm going to go over everything you need to know about at least complex numbers. We're going to learn everything you need to know about complex numbers so that you won't miss another question about complex numbers on SAT math section, and you'll start to raise your SAT score. Let's get straight into it, guys. Watch. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Screen of Knowledge and 1600. This is where I share all my knowledge. I usually charge my students about $100 an hour for, but since we met on YouTube, you know what? You can send a check to my Venmo account. So let's get straight into it, guys. All right, so we're going to go over everything you need to know about complex numbers. You know, complex numbers, what kind of questions are they? It's these things, you know, these things that have little I's in it. Whenever you see a I on an SAT question, especially math questions, it's 100%, 110% complex number questions, okay? So whenever you see this, you should be like, yes, I know how to get this question right. Actually, you probably don't. That's why you're watching this video. But after watching this video, you're going to be good to go, okay? So these are the types of complex number questions. There are sometimes a complex number with a I at the bottom, and sometimes it's just a equation like that. They just have to simplify and find out which one it's equivalent to, okay? So what you need to know about complex numbers. Complex number, there's two things you need to know. Only two things. If you know these two things, you are going to get every single question about complex numbers correct, okay? So the first thing you need to know is the basic understanding of how complex numbers work. Okay, as long as you know what I to the first, second, and third, and fourth is, you're going to be set. You're going to be good to go. Okay, and second, you need to know how to remove I from the bottom. You know, I'm pretty sure your math teacher told you at some point, like, you cannot divide by 0. That's like a blasphemy. It's like, that's something you should never do. It's like putting pineapples on a pizza. It's something you should never do, right? So same thing with I's at the bottom. You don't want to have I's at the bottom. You physically can't have I's at the bottom. Okay, so you want to know how to remove I from the bottom, okay? So those are the two types. So how does the first type show up on the SAT? They're going to give you a question like this, and they're going to simplify the equation, and find the equivalent form as the original one. And as long as you know what I to the second is, you're going to know how to solve this question. I to the first, second, third, fourth, that's what you need to know, okay? And also, you want to know how to remove I from the bottom, and it's for questions that show up in this kind of format, okay? They are going to have an I at the bottom. They're going to break the law and put the I at the bottom, and your job is to remove the I from the bottom, and that's all you have to do, okay? If you look at all the choices down here, they don't have I's anywhere, right? So how you get rid of I is by multiplying by a conjugate, okay? What conjugate is 8 plus 2I. You just flip the sign in the middle and just keep all the numbers the same. You multiply by 8 minus 2i over 8 minus 2i. And if you do that, it's going to get rid of the i's at the bottom, and you're going to come up with one of these answers, okay? So that's exactly what you should do, but that was kind of really terrible. It was a terrible explanation. So if you guys want, there is going to be a link in the post, or there's going to be a link in the description box below where I go over super in depth for about 15-20 minutes, explaining how you should solve these kind of questions and what you need to know so you won't miss another complex number questions and you start raising your SAT score, okay? So there's going to be a link in the description box or in the post here, okay? So make sure you look out for that. And after you learn that, there is going to be a set of practice questions that I got for you guys. So go watch the video, learn all the concepts, study them, and then come back to this video and we can try these questions together. These 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 questions. And if you're ready, I'm going to show you the answer in a second. Okay, so if you're ready, go to the, continue the video, but if not, just pause the video and then come back to it in a second. Okay, so if you're ready, those are the answers. Okay, guys, that's it. That's literally everything you need to know about complex numbers. I can guarantee you I can bet my body on the line. Like, if there is a question that you can't solve with these two things, if there's another complex number type of question there, I'll sell my heart and give you the money. I'll Venmo it to you. But guys, that's all you need to know. So as long as you know these, you're going to be good to go. So make sure you really understand these, okay? And if you guys found this video valuable, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button on the video, okay? It helps out the YouTube algorithm and helps people see these videos more. Okay, so that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, also guys, the videos that I make for this channel is heavily dependent on what kind of topics you guys want to see. So make sure you guys leave a comment down below what you want to see next. I literally look at every single comment because I have like 10 subscribers right now, but it's kind of sad. But yeah, I look at all the comments. I try to find out exactly what you guys want to see, and my next video is going to be exactly on that. Okay, so make sure you comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll probably make a video on it. All right, I'll see you later. Bye bye.
Girl, look at you, baby, almost looking flyer than me. And I got that gold rollie with the bezel and Louis Vuitton on my body. And I know this shit don't impress you, so no bullshit, girl, nothing extra. Girl, I ain't with playing games. I wanna take your home.